Hello dear subscribers. Today I will tell you how you can easily fix internet time sync error in Windows 10. So for fixing it, you just need to go to search tab and just write in search tab services. So just open it. Now you just need to scroll down. And here you need to find Windows Time. Just right click on it and choose properties. And in status type just choose automatic. And here in the service status choose start. So after you do it, just click apply and click OK. So after you do it, everything will work and you already successfully fix your internet time sync error. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.